Go to my room and clean it.
Opo, sir. Ganito pala kalaki ang bahay na papasukan ko. Ikaw ba ang bagong kasambahay? Opo, ako po. Sige, magpahinga ka muna sa maid's room. Bukas ka na magsisimula. Opo, salamat po. Hi, ate! Ako po si Bubbles. Hello, ako si Shine. Uhaw na talaga ako. Ate Shine, eto na uniform mo. Ah, salamat. Shine, dumating na siya. Sino?
You. Go to my room and clean it.
Opo, sir.
Get out!
Bakit po?
I said, get out!
Miss na po kita. Natatakot po ako dito.
Take him out of the equation.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. I made sure your coffee is just how I like it.
Hoy, anong pinag-uusapan nyo dyan? Kung si Sir yan, akin lang you know. Elosionada.
Who ordered you to spy on me?
Wala, sir. Ako lang po. Please, maawa po kayo.
Clean it up. Where do you think you're going?
Sa kusina po.
You're early today. We need to talk. This place is beautiful. but we have pressing matters to discuss. The shipment arrived compromised. We need to find out who leaked the information. We need to finalize this soon. I know. I'm handling it.
Who's that maid? She works here.
Napakasuplado talaga.
Kuya, saan po yung pinakamalapit na padalhan ng pera?
O, dyan lang sa kanto, may remittance center sa tabi ng palengke.
Salamat! At nakapadala din ako kina nanay.
Primo! Where's Primo? Nandun po si Sir sa taas, Ma'am Chencha. Primo, baby, why are you not answering my calls? I miss you.
What are you doing here, Cynthia?
Primo? I'm your girlfriend, remember?
As far as I remember, Cynthia, you're not my girlfriend.
Get out now.
Shine, kanina ka pa hinihintay ni Sir sa taas.
Get in.
And who is she?
She's my girlfriend.
Seriously, Primo? A poor woman? No! Primo! You're mine! Only mine!
Are you going tonight?
What the fick, dude? You always win.
I'm going home. I'm done here.
Shine, maaari bang ikaw na maghatid ng umagahan ni Premo doon sa taas?
Opo, Nay.
Kalma ka lang, Shine. Walang mangyayaring masama sa'yo doon.
What are you staring at?
Sir, breakfast niyo po.
Sa susunod, kumatok ka.
Sorry po, sir. Sir, pwede po ba akong lumabas muna? Magpapadala lang po ako ng pera sa pamilya ko.
Go on.
Sir! First kiss ko yun!
Childish. Get out. so soft.
Ate Shine, okay ka lang? Okay lang ako, Bubbles. Namimiss ko lang pamilya ko.
Son, your cousin will be staying at the mansion for a while. He will live there for a month.
All right.
Nanay Tess,
Ano yun, anak? May kailangan ka ba?
Can you please tell the new maid to come here?
Shine, pinapatawag ka ni Premo ah.
Bakit daw po, Nay?
Hindi ko din alam, apo.
Sir, pinapapatawag niyo daw po ako?
go change. And come with me. Let's go.
Sir, saan po tayo pupunta?
Sir, bakit po tayo nandito?
I'm waiting for someone. Stop asking.
Kuya Premo,
Miggy, how's your flight?
it's fine. Who's this woman? Is she your girlfriend? Can you be my Kuya's girlfriend? Because he doesn't have one.
Miggy, stop it.
Nanay Tess!
Ate Shine, alam mo bang hindi nagsasakay ng babae si Sir Premo sa kotse niya? Ikaw ang unang babaeng nakasakay sa kotse niya, Ate Shine. Hindi naman siguro.
Ate Shine, can you come play with me in the pool?
Pero Miggy, hindi ako marunong lumangoy.
Come on, Ate Shine. I don't want to go alone.
Hindi ba to nakakahiya? Hindi yan, ate.
What do you think you're wearing, woman?
Sorry po.
Go change your clothes now. Why am I even thinking about this?
Bakit ganito pakiramdam ko? Hindi naman dapat. Ate Shine, suot mo pa rin yung coat niya ah. May something na ba kayo?
Wala, Bubbles.
Pinasuot niya lang to sa akin. Sir?
What's going on here?
Sir, I was about to return it.
You kept it. It suits you.
Get some rest.
Bakit ganito yung pakiramdam ko? Ang weird.
Tsk. Too noisy today. That woman.
You failed. Fix it. Move! You're late. Don't.
Deal's over.
Clean it. We're leaving.
Take the long route. Tai. Explain. Ashusili out. I don't like repeating myself.
Sir, there was a delay in the shipment due to.
Excuses. You had one job. We don't miss shipments. Find it. Or don't come back. This isn't our shipment. Wrong labels. Wrong count. Sir, the port team reported. I don't care what they reported. Lock the site. No one leaves. Report. I don't accept delays. Fix it.
Sir? Dinner po?
Sir, dinner niyo po.
You didn't have to bring it yourself.
You always come in quietly. Like you're afraid.